Here we'll see a demonstration of installing MicroStation. So in the video, you'll see I've already downloaded from our website the MicroStation 2023 setup executable file. To download MicroStation from our website, you do need to have site admin rights as well as download and install privileges. That is something set up on your side. Here I have saved the executable file to my programs files folder rather than trying to run it from the downloads folder. I actually create a new folder on program files and run it from there. And to run that, I do a right click on the setup executable and select run as administrator. That works the same way whether you're doing it from the download and running the executable, or if you're using a deployment image, you still need to run as administrator in either case and run that setup file. Let's look at the video here. Here I select the downloads. I select the file. I run as administrator, start the installation. Here I accept the license agreement, go to configure. I selected the carts to be installed. I now then select the custom configuration, paste in my path, and I start the installation process. When that's finished, you can then launch the product. Okay, so then once the installation is done and you're able to actually use the product, if you then go to your File Explorer and you look in there, you will see under Program Files that MicroStation 2023 now creates a new folder separate from MicroStation Connect Edition, whether that's 15, 16, 17, whatever older version. It does install in a separate folder separate from that and does not overwrite the old version. Now, with that being said, moving forward, 23, 24, 25, each of the new major releases will create its own new folder, allowing you to have 23, 24, 25, whatever, as well as the old Connect version, and they will be separate. Now, any minor releases, when we release a 23.1, a 23.2, any kind of minor update, those will overwrite the previous. So if it's 23.1, will overwrite 23, 23.2 overwrites 23.1, that sort of thing. But 24 then will create a new folder. This way you will be able to have the new version and an old version. So if you need an old version to work with a specific client, or you want it for V7, or you want it for whatever it is that you need to have that version for, you can have both moving forward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. If you want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to this and Bentley's other channels. Thank you, and see you next time.